Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-350 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a lift installed, as you can probably tell, giving you some added height with pocket style fender flares, offset tires and rims, bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear, and of course running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. And then looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge right here for added security. And then in the middle you have two fold-out cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. This vehicle does come with a dealer-installed remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors. And then you have a partially power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at only 56,153 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. And then you can go into your display mode, look at your digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, distance to empty, your diesel exhaust fluid gauge and status. Then you have your towing information, your off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth capable. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with dynamic hitch views, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, hazards, and then moving down you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. To the left you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Then moving down further you have another 12-volt with two USBs and a little compartment right there for whatever you would like. Looking at your column shifter, you do have select shift so you can manually shift through your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. And then last but not least, looking up, you do have 6 upfitter switches which can be wired up however you please. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.